Hello my friends, I'm Sean. This is a Fix My Home channel. So today I want to show you how you can fix the broken handle. As you see, the handle is broken. So I'm going to show you how you can replace the broken handle on your toilet by yourself. So make sure subscribe my channel, so I will show you how you can fix the problem around your home. Alright, let's start it. Okay, first of all I have to take the broken handle off the chain, and we have a knot here, so I'm gonna take that knot off to take the broken piece off, and I'm gonna put the new one and show you how to do it. Okay, I took the broken handle off and I'm gonna put the new handle, but this is metal, so it's work better. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, I put the new handle. As you can see, I bent this handle because we have a different band, and this is the angle band handle. So we need to buy the angle handle, but I didn't have it. I just used the regular, toilet handle, and I bend this space, so it's gonna work fine. The same thing, and I put the metal knot so it's secure. You don't need to tighten this too much. You just use your hand to tighten it, and that's it. Okay, I put the chain back in the hole. I put in the second hole. It has a 3 hole, so you can adjust the chain. So one here, and one there. That's 3 holes. So make sure the chain is not tight that much. So now we're gonna test it if it works fine. Let's see. It's working fine. Anyway, if you see my other video, I show you how to replace the flush valve, and I'm gonna make another video to show you how to change the flapper and show you how to replace the whole toilet. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and have a great day.